How to fix Wi-Fi fail to connect to the network on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on your device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now go to Wi-Fi. Now find the Wi-Fi you are trying to connect and tap on the Wi-Fi. Now make sure to enter the correct password. And if you are getting weak signals, get closer to the router. Now once you do that, go back. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on System and Updates. Now tap on Backup and Reset. Now click on Reset Phone. Now tap on Reset All Settings. Now enter your password to reset all the settings and restart your device. If it's still not fixed, go back, open up your Wi-Fi, go to the Wi-Fi, tap on Privacy and select Use Device MAC address. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.